In Revelation chapter 1, 19 and 20, it says, "Write the things which thou hast seen, and the things which are, and the things which shall be hereafter. The mystery of the 7 stars which thou sawest in my right hand, and the 7 golden candlesticks. The 7 stars are the angels of the 7 churches, and the 7 candlesticks which thou sawest are the 7 churches." So the 7 stars are the angels of the 7 churches. I'm back in the funny book, Watchtower's Revelation, its grand climax at hand, chapter 6, paragraph 6, unlocking a secret. And it says, "The stars are the angels of the 7 congregations." In Revelation, stars sometimes symbolize literal angels, but Jesus would hardly use a human penman to write to invisible spirit creatures. So the stars must be the human overseers or elders in the congregations, viewed as Jesus' messengers. What's this footnote? You can pause that and read that footnote. The messages are addressed to the stars, for these are responsible for the oversight of Jehovah's flock. Since Jesus speaks to only one angel in each congregation, does this mean that each congregation has only one elder? No. As early as Paul's day, the Ephesian congregation had a number of elders, not just one. So in John's day, when messages were sent to the 7 stars to be read to the congregations, including the one in Ephesus, the stars must have stood for all those who served in the bodies of elders within Jehovah's anointed congregation. In like manner, overseers today read to their congregations letters received from the governing body, made up of anointed overseers who serve under Jesus' headship. The local bodies of elders have to make sure that Jesus' counsel is followed by their congregations. Of course, the counsel is for the benefit of all those associated in the cult, and not just the elders. Letters, elders, stars. They're angels.